Hello and thank you for watching this video. My name is Ali Al-Shehri and I'm an international sales engineer working for HIPOTRONICS, the leading manufacturer of high voltage test equipment. Here at HIPOTRONICS, we believe that access to safe and reliable power is not just a privilege, but a right. By providing innovative and dependable test and measurement solutions to our customers worldwide, we help make this dream a reality. In this video, we're going to explain and demonstrate how to use HIPOTRONICS' new mobile app, HIPODirect. On this video, we're going to introduce HIPODirect, talk about the features and benefits, the compatibility, and talk about the HIPODirect interface and close with a demo of operation. HIPODirect is HIPOTRONICS' new solution to wirelessly connect a mobile device to your HIPOTRONICS equipment that has a Wi-Fi direct capability. Talking about the features and benefits. Some of the major features HIPODirect offer is the ability for users to view and download test reports from the app. Once the reports are downloaded, users can easily share the test reports in CSV format via email or by uploading the report to a cloud service if available. HIPODirect can also download and install the latest firmware available to any HIPOTRONICS products connected via the mobile app. The new HIPODirect comes with a friendly and intuitive user interface. As for the compatibility, the new HIPODirect app is currently compatible with the newly purchased HIPOTRONICS digital DC HIPOT testers and the newly purchased HIPOTRONICS digital AC HIPOT testers. In the coming months, additional products will begin to include this new feature as well. Currently, HIPODirect is compatible with Android operating system and can be downloaded for free on the Google Play Store. The app will be coming soon to the Apple App Store. Under Read More, the app provides general information such as the main features and the current supported HIPOTRONICS products. To be able to use the app, the user needs to power on the unit and make sure to enable the Wi-Fi on the unit. To do that, the user needs to go to the main menu and then to Setting. Under Setting, click on Remote Setting. Then make sure the Wi-Fi Direct is on. Once the Wi-Fi Direct is on, click on Password and write it down. You will need the password when we connect HIPODirect app to this unit. On your Android mobile phone, please go to your Wi-Fi setting and search for the unit network name. The name consists of the unit model number and the unit serial number. Once selected, you will be required to enter the password, which we located in the previous step. After establishing the Wi-Fi connection on your phone, please open the HIPODirect app and click on Connect. The main page will open and show the connection status and the product details such as the serial number, the model number, the date of the last calibration, and the firmware version. If a firmware update is needed, it can be done on the main page by clicking on Update Firmware. The main page will show the reports that have been saved on the unit. To be able to see the report's data, the user can download each report separately or all at once. Once the reports are downloaded, click on Back, then click on Reports. Under Reports, the user can find all the reports he just downloaded from the main page. Each report will show the name, model number, test report results, mode of operation, and when was this report created. Once the desired report is located, the app will show the test input parameters such as operation mode, measurement type, overcurrent, and overvoltage setting. Under View More, the user can view the voltage and current graph. To share a specific report, the user can click on Share, and the app will provide the options on how to export the reports, whether by email or by a cloud service if available. The user can also delete any test report from the list if needed by clicking on the trash can symbol on the upper right corner. The user can also search for any specific report using the report name, serial number, or the operator name for multiple reports, or else by using the filter function where you can choose the device, test mode, and when was the test performed. The app will provide our contact information in case a user has any questions regarding the app. As we mentioned earlier, the reports will be exported from the app in CSV format via email or by uploading the reports to a cloud service. At the end, I want to thank you for watching this video. For more videos, check out our YouTube channel. If you have any question regarding HIPODirect, please contact us at sales@hipotronics.com. Thank you.